trying to keep it off the like up from the grass as much as possible. I gotta move it just a little faster than usual. Oh, I think I got one right now. Yeah, I got one. It's a tiny one. There we go. That's the first catch. Oh, it's tiny. That's not bad. 1 pounder, maybe. It's not a bad fish. Here we go. Little pound, maybe a pound. I don't know. At least getting close to a pound. Oh, beautiful fish. Healthy little fish. Looks like he got bit right here. All right, that's the first one. He's been caught before with a little hole on his lip. So, yep, first one of the day. So there is bass here, so that's a good sign.